What's up everybody? I hope you're okay, staying safe. What you just heard there was some paradiddle fills around the kit, which is what we're going to be working on today. But first, I want to teach you 3 different ways to play those paradiddles. So the first way we're going to play these paradiddles is by putting the first beat of each paradiddle on a tom-tom. So when it's your right hand, it's going to go to the floor tom, and your left hand is going to go to the high tom. I'm playing them at 60 beats per minute, and I'm playing the paradiddles as semiquavers. The next way to play these paradiddles is by putting the double beat on the tom-toms. Again, 60 beats per minute. You've guessed it, the final version is to put the second beat of the paradiddle on the tom-toms. Now you may find this one a bit trickier than the first 2, but just take your time. Again, it's played at 60 beats per minute. I'm sure you'll get used to it. Okay, so this is the same 3 versions, but a little bit quicker this time. This is 80 BPM. Now the fun bit. We get to put these paradiddles around the kit and create some really cool sounding fills. Now remember, you don't have to stick to the same version for the whole bar. In fact, I encourage you not to. Mix them up, not only with each other, but with other things you've learned, with single strokes, with other things you just generally go to as your fill. Do half bar fills, do little pickups. You know, really have fun, experiment around the kit. Again, as we've said in every lesson up to now, don't just stick to the high tom, the floor tom we've been using today. Try a bell cymbal or hi-hat or something. Anything goes really. Be as creative as you like, have fun, and see if you can get maybe your new favourite fill that might come out of this. Here are a few examples, again at the same tempo we've been doing up to this point, 60 BPM. Here are a few more examples, slightly quicker, this time 100 beats per minute. So that's it for another lesson. Remember, when you try these, take it nice and steady to begin with and only move on to a faster tempo when you're completely comfortable with playing these fills around the kit. Stay safe and I'll see you next time.